If your beard isn't looking the way you want it to, it may not be genetics. Some guys are doing things every day that actually hold their beard back. And the hard part is it feels like the right thing to do. Today, we're fixing that. This video is for both new and seasoned beardsmen because these habits can quietly limit your beard at any stage. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, not using a gentle daily beard wash. One of the biggest mistakes that I see is how guys wash their beard. A lot of people think that beard wash should only be used once or twice a week, and others, they don't use beard wash daily because they're afraid it's going to dry out their beard. But here's the truth. Your beard is exposed to sweat, natural oils, environment, and product buildup every single day. When the beard isn't properly cleaned, that buildup blocks moisture and those products from doing their job. The fix is easy. Use a gentle daily beard wash that's designed for everyday use. A good daily beard wash cleans the beard and the skin underneath without stripping it. Wash daily, rinse thoroughly, then apply the oil while your beard is still damp. Clean beard, healthy skin, better results. And mistake number 2, skipping beard oil or using it incorrectly. Another common mistake is skipping beard oil altogether or only using it when your beard feels dry. Beard oil is not a luxury product. It's daily care. Beard oil is not only just for the beard, it's for the skin under the beard. When the skin under your beard is healthy and hydrated, your beard grows better, it feels softer, and it's easier to manage. Apply beard oil daily. Make sure you get it into the palm of your hands, get it to your skin first, and then pull the remainder of the oil through your beard. Grab a comb or boar's hair brush to distribute that oil evenly. Consistency here makes a massive difference. And mistake number 3 is thinking you can trim your way to a longer beard. This one catches a lot of guys. Trimming out of frustration or getting that feeling that your beard just isn't growing fast enough. So you grab your trimmer, hoping it'll somehow fix things. But here's the truth. You're never going to trim your way to a longer beard. Trimming removes length, period. Over trimming can slow down progress and kills momentum, especially during those awkward phases. The fix is trimming with intention, not emotion. Trim only to maintain shape, not to chase length. Let it grow. Time, patience, and consistency, that's what you need to build a long beard. And mistake number 4, mismanaging that neckline and the cheek lines. Let's talk about lines because this one makes a huge difference. Let's start off with the neckline. A neckline that's higher, a couple fingers above the Adam's apple, is fine if you're growing a short beard. But if your goal is growth, cutting that neckline too high can be a mistake. When you're growing your beard for length, you want to leave that neckline as soon as possible. The neckline is where the center fullness and the density come from. Let the beard grow past the neckline and follow it as it fills in. The lower growth is what gives the beard strength and balance. Now the cheek lines. Another mistake is bringing them down too far. Even with the natural beard, you want minimal cleanup. Remove only those strays that are going above the natural cheek line. You want a sharper, more sculpted look. Find a nice trimmer that will give you those nice lines that you're looking for, or you can use a safety razor, or if your barber uses a straight razor, you can get those nice crisp lines that you're looking for. And mistake number 5 is using hair products on your beard. These head hair products might do wonders for your hair, but they are not designed for your beard. Typically, the pH is too high on these, and it's going to strip all those natural oils. Head hair shampoos are not designed to nourish your skin or to nourish your beard. The fix is using clean, daily beard products that are designed specifically for facial hair. Look for small batch companies that use organic ingredients, cold pressed oils, or natural ingredients. Your beard care routine should support health, not just mask a problem. All right, everybody, here we are at the end of the video. And real quick, here's some daily habits that just makes everything work better. Consistency beats perfection. Gentle daily care adds up over time. Beard growth is a long game. Stick with the basics and trust the process. If you're making just one of these mistakes, fixing it can change everything. Let me know down in the comments if you're working on one. If this video has helped you, do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it. And remember, let's break the stigma of talking about mental health. I'm Dave, and I was born bearded. Love you guys.